acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang And surely you'll buy your pint cup, and surely I'll buy mine. We take a cup of kindness